Today we're in West London at the Design Museum for something a little dark, a little twisted, and totally brilliant. The World of Tim Burton exhibition. From Edward Scissorhands to The Nightmare Before Christmas, this is a deep dive into the mind of one of cinema's most original creators. Let's go inside. The exhibition opens with Tim's early years. Drawings from childhood, notebooks, even storyboards he made as a teenager. You can already see the signature style, lonely characters, odd proportions, and a strange kind of beauty in the bizarre. It's like stepping into someone's inner world, before the world even knew their name. Throughout the exhibition, there's this beautiful chaos. Walls of drawings, sculptures, and characters you half remember from dreams. Some never made it to the screen. Others, like the residents of Halloween Town, are now iconic. But every single one feels like it came from the same wild universe. As you move through the rooms, you realize just how much of Tim Burton's work starts with a pencil. There are characters you recognize instantly, Beetlejuice, the Corpse Bride, and of course, Jack Skellington. But there are others you've never seen before, little monsters, misunderstood misfits, and wild, whimsical creatures that never made it into the screen, but still feel perfectly Burton. There's also an immersive element to the show, rooms filled with shadowy lighting, haunting music, and walls covered in Burton's handwritten notes. It's theatrical and playful, like being inside one of his films, minus the jump scares. Then you get to the Hollywood section, and it's incredible. Original costumes from Sleepy Hollow, Beetlejuice, and Edward Scissorhands. Seeing them up close, you realize just how detailed and theatrical his vision really is. It's not just a costume, it's a character. One of the most surprising things is how personal it all feels. It's not just about movies, it's about imagination, loneliness, creativity, and identity. You leave each room understanding a little more about the man behind the monsters. One of my favorite pieces was this old newspaper, completely covered in his doodles. It was so raw and spontaneous, like his imagination just couldn't sit still. There's something amazing about someone turning something so ordinary into a piece of art. If you're in London anytime soon and love film, art, or just celebrating the weird and wonderful, this is absolutely worth the visit. The World of Tim Burton runs until May 26, 2025. Tickets sell out fast, so make sure to book ahead. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Tim Burton character in the comments below. Until next time, stay strange.